The future is approaching faster than we realize, and the world as we know it is about to change dramatically. Artificial intelligence is advancing at an unprecedented rate, threatening to disrupt industries and eliminate jobs on a massive scale. Elon Musk, Andrew Yang, Sam Altman, and Mark Cuban have all sounded the alarm about the impending AI revolution and its potential to cause widespread unemployment. The AI threat. As AI continues to evolve, millions of jobs are at risk of becoming obsolete. From truck drivers to accountants, no profession is safe from the reach of automation. This isn't a distant possibility. It's happening now, and the pace is only accelerating. The UBI solution, Universal Basic Income, UBI, is being touted as a potential solution to this looming crisis. Experiments are already underway across the United States. In California, multiple programs are providing $500 to $1,000 monthly to participants. New York, Washington, Oregon, and Colorado have similar initiatives in place. Cities like St. Louis and Louisville are launching their own guaranteed income programs. But do you really want to rely on government handouts to survive? Your lifeline, passive income. There's a way to secure your financial future before the AI storm hits. Passive income through e-commerce. America is a nation of consumers, willing to buy almost anything. Remember the pet rock? Now is the time to capitalize on this opportunity while others remain oblivious. The online store solution. Imagine owning a fully functional online store that generates income without requiring your constant attention. My team can build and stock your store with hot-selling items, handle packaging and shipping, and even manage marketing, all while you collect the profits. An unbeatable offer. While other companies charge $1,000 to $10,000 for similar services, we offer this incredible opportunity for just $300 and $150 per month for store maintenance. For an additional $150 per month, we'll even handle all your marketing and advertising needs. Act now or miss out. This offer won't last forever. If you act within the next 72 hours, you'll lock in this unbelievable price. After that, it goes back up to $500. Don't wait until it's too late. The future is coming faster than you think. Secure your future today. Don't become another statistic dependent on UBI to survive. Take control of your financial destiny now. With our plug-and-play system, you can create a lifetime of passive income with minimal effort. The opportunity is here. Will you seize it? Click the link below now to secure your spot and start building your financial fortress against the AI revolution today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this incredible offer. Remember, in times of change, it's the prepared who thrive. Don't let this chance slip away. Your future self will thank you.